Hello, my lovely learners. Welcome to today's activity. We are still on collecting and handling data. Collecting and what? Handling data. Today we are what? Learning to answer questions from a given table. Questions from a given table. This is the table given to us, and few questions were asked. So let's quickly look at how to tackle these questions. Look at this example one. We have Joe. This is what? Friend's name, and we have what? Weight. We also have the various names here, the weights here. We have Joe. He weighs what? 30 kilogram. Kofi weighs what? 25 kilogram. Jones weighs 28 kilogram. Tom weighs what? 32 kilogram. And Amma weighs what? 30 kilogram. Now the first question is what? Who weighs the most? Who weighs the most what? The most weight. Who weighs the most? Who weighs the most? So let's quickly come back to the table here. The most, they are talking about the highest number, the highest weight over here. So let's look at Joe, 30, Kofi, 25, Jones, 28, Tom, 32, Amma, 30. So the highest weight over here is what? 30, no, 30, 28, 25. So it's 32. 32. And they are talking about the person who weighs the what? The most. So this is the highest weight over here. So the person is what? Tom. So you quickly write over there. Tom weighs the most. So you write Tom. Question 2. Which two friends weigh the same? Which two friends weigh the same? Let's quickly come to the table. We have, first of all, let's look at, or let's check the equal weight. We have here what? We have 30 here and what? 30 here. So 30 this mark, 30 this mark. Who weighs this 30? Let's look at this. We have Joe. And the second one we have what? Amma. So let's quickly write. Which two friends weigh the same? We have Joe and Amma. Put your answers in a sentence form. Now, let's look at question 3. Who weighs the least? They are talking about the least, the smallest weight. Let's look at the smallest. Let's check. Is it 30? First of all, we know 32 is the highest or the most weight so far. 30, 28, 25, 32. Okay, so we realize that this 25, they are talking about who weighs the least. So this is the least weight. So who weighs that least weight? So it's who? Kofi. So it's Kofi. So quickly write down Kofi. But make sure you put your answer in what? Sentence form. All right. The next one is what? What is the difference between Tom and Kofi's weight? What is the difference between Tom and Kofi's weight? Let's look at Tom. What is Tom's weight? Tom's weight is what? 32. Let's write it. The difference. Tom and what? Kofi. This is Kofi. 25. Let's write it. 25. Or we write it otherwise. 25. We subtract the difference. Now, 2 minus 5 is not possible. So let's quickly borrow 1 from this 3. When we borrow 1 from this 3, we are left with what? 2 here. And the one we borrow, we will bring it here, making this figure 12. 12 minus what? 5 is what? 7. 2 minus 2 You have 0 here. You can leave it or you write your 0. You get it? You can leave your 7 like this or you write a 0 here. Alright, so let's quickly write. What is the difference between Tom and Kofi's weight? The difference between Tom and Kofi's weight is what? 7 what? Kilogram. Because it's weight, we're finding the difference in kilogram. We are finding the difference in what? Kilogram. Alright, this is example 2. Let's quickly look at what they are asking or telling us. We have ice cream flavors and then the number of what? Children. We have ice cream flavors and then the number of children. We have the flavors to be what? Chocolate, butterscotch. We have strawberry and then what? Vanilla. Now, look at the question. Look at the question. Question 1 is dash the most what? Popular flavor. Dash, that means a particular flavor is the most popular what? Flavor. Let's check on our table here. On the table, let's look at the highest one here. We have chocolate. This one is 7. Butterscotch is what? Butterscotch is what? 2. We have strawberry to be what? 9. And vanilla will be what? Is what? 4. So the most popular one is what? The highest one is what? Which is what? Strawberry. Strawberry is the most popular flavor. So you write. Alright, the next one. Dash more children like what? Strawberry than vanilla. Dash more children like strawberry than vanilla. What are they telling us? They are just telling us to find the difference between strawberry and what? Vanilla. Where is strawberry? This is strawberry. And then the vanilla is what? So strawberry, this is 9. Vanilla is what? 4. When you find this, the difference, 9 minus 4 is what? 5. So we have 5 more children. 5 more children like strawberry than vanilla. Alright, look at this. Dash and dash flavors are both equally liked. Dash and dash flavors are both equally liked. They are telling us that there are 2 particular flavors that are hot, equally liked. Let's check from the table. All right, let's check from the table. All right, we have chocolate to be 7, butterscotch to be what? 7, strawberry to be what? 9, and then what? Vanilla to be what? 4. First, I made a mistake of writing what? 2 here, which is a mistake. I was writing 7. So you realize that the chocolate and then the butterscotch are the flavors both liked. So let's quickly write chocolate and what? And excuse me to write B or butter S. Because of the space, let me write what? Butter S. Okay? Alright, butter S flavors are both liked, equally liked. Alright. Let's look at the next one. Yeah, this is 1, 2. But the mistake, we have changed the mistake here. Instead of 7, we have written 2 here. So we have changed that. Take note of that. The total number of what? Children in the class is what? Then you come back to your what? Your table here. Then you add 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4. 7 plus 7 is what? Plus 9 is what? Plus 4. 7 plus 7 is what? 14. These two will give us 14. This plus this. 9 plus what? 4 is what? 13. So 14 plus 13 will give us what? 4 plus 3 is what? 7. 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, we have 27 children in the class. 27 children in the class. The total number of children in the class is 27 children. Alright, keep revising through this work till we meet again. Bye-bye.